Good day everyone and welcome back to Kuitatag Ware Ware lesson. Today, I'll share some common expressions of profanity used by Waray speakers when angry. Let's get started. Number 1. Puta ka, puta hiya, puta ka mo. Just a quick note, when you hear ka or hiya in Tagalog, it's referring to just one person. Think of ka as like mo and hiya as siya. For two or more people, use kamo, which is the same as kayo or you. Number 2, yawa ka, yawa hiya, yawa kamo. Number 3, yaik ka, yaik hiya, yaik kamo. Number 4, panulay ka, panulay hiya, panulay kamo. Number 5, manunulay ka, manunulay hiya, manunulay kamo. Number 6, panulay ka haabo, panulay hiya haabo, panulay kamo haabo. Number 7, pinisti. Number 8, pisti ka, pisti hiya, pisti kamo. Number 9, pistihanon. Number 10, birat kanim eroy, uyit kanim eroy. Number 11, nim eroy ka, nim eroy kamo. Number 12, mananap ka. Number 13, demonyo ka, demonyo hiya, demonyo kamo. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned some interesting expressions used by Waray speakers. Thank you for watching Kuitatag Ware Ware lesson.